Ladies and gentlemen, Elon Musk's AI company X.ai has finally released a significant update for their language model Grok. Recently, they have been rolling out frequent updates, but this latest one called Grok 1.5 is quite surprising, especially since they just announced going open source last week. On March 28, 2024, they announced Grok 1.5, which comes with improved reasoning capabilities and an impressive context length of 128,000 tokens, now available on their X.ai platform and Twitter. It's surprising that they achieved such a substantial update so soon after going open source. The ability to handle 128,000 tokens suggests there may have been an industry breakthrough that many companies are capitalizing. According to the announcement, Grok 1.5 has shown notable improvements in coding and math-related tasks, scoring 50.6% on a math benchmark, 90% on the GSM8K benchmark, covering grade school to high school math problems, and 74.1% on the HumanEval benchmark for code generation and problem solving. Compared to the previous version, Grok 1, the model has shown significant improvements across various benchmarks. While these benchmark results are impressive, the real differentiator for AI systems may be their productization and usability rather than just benchmark scores. GPT-4, for instance, stands out as a well-designed product, even though it may not lead in all benchmarks. If X.ai continues to open-source their models, they may need to be evaluated differently from proprietary models, perhaps by comparing them to other open-source offerings like Mistral Large, which Grok 1.5 outperforms on certain benchmarks. Despite trailing behind models like GPT-4, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Claude 3 Opus, Grok 1.5's performance is impressive, especially considering X.ai's relatively small team and limited resources compared to tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Anthropic, which have received billions. Grok 1.5 also boasts the ability to process long contexts of up to 128,000 tokens with perfect retrieval results, according to the announcement. The company claims to have developed a robust and flexible infrastructure based on JAX, Rust, and Kubernetes for training these large models efficiently. Looking ahead, X.ai plans to gradually roll out Grok 1.5 to a wider audience and introduce several new features in the coming days, although details about these features downside mentioned is the limited accessibility of Grok, which currently requires a paid Twitter verification subscription and may not be available in certain countries. Increased accessibility could benefit the model's adoption and usage. Overall, the release of Grok 1.5 is seen as a significant achievement for the relatively young and resource-constrained X.ai, showcasing their ability to develop advanced language models with impressive capabilities. Despite facing stiff competition from industry giants, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.